everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Plymouth Roadrunner. Beautiful car, guys. This is a factory B5 blue car. Originally it was B5 blue car. This is actually a 99 Dodge Intense Blue is what it's called. Great car, original RM Roadrunner, factory N96 air grabber hood car. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's got a healthy, guys, 440, I think he said 490 horse engine in it. Pistol grip 4-speed trans, Dana 373 rear end. Neat car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Really nicely done car. The restoration on this car is about 5 years old. You can see it's really well maintained. Car's nice underneath. It's got the stock rallies on it with the Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Chin spoilers, going on the back. Really nice car, guys. I mean, this thing is pretty. I love the color. Great name for the color, Intense Blue, because it really is. It's got a great look to it. Good car, really good car. Sorry, guys, got some bugs on the chrome. I'll make sure the guys get that off. You can see they've put new bumpers on it. That grill in there is in nice shape. Again, it's got the chin spoilers on it. Pretty paint. Again, factory N96 air grabber hood car. There's just a little something there stuck in there. Dash is nice. Factory black strobe striping. This is a nice car, man. Again, going. Car's out of North Carolina. I think it's got all the original quarters on it. Rear bumper shows a little, that's probably original bumper. You can see it shows a little wear. Nice and flat down the sides, good rubber on it. It's got the machine gun tips. And this thing runs, guys. Factory rally wheels. Dual sport mirrors. It's got the front disc brakes. That's a good looking car. Not original engine, healthy 440. It's got an Iski cam, crane roller rockers, 4-barrel. I believe it's stock Mopar intake if I remember correctly, and it's got the stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Of course, it's got the factory N96 air grabber hood. It is functional. Pistol grip 833, 4-speed manual trans. Look how nice this thing's detailed up underneath here. I'm sorry, I think I said power disc. It's manual disc brakes. Does have power steering though. It's an MSD. I think it's got an MSD box here mounted somewhere if I remember correctly. Actually, maybe this isn't the car. I might have been thinking of another car I had. This one looks like it's just got the stock electronic ignition in it. Look how pretty this car is, man. This car is tough. Again, dual sport mirrors. Definitely replace the door handles. How nice and clean the bottom of those doors are. Factory black vinyl interior. You can see it's got new sill plates. Factory bench seat. You can see the tough wheel, pistol grip shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. 59,000, that's supposed to be the original miles, guys. Factory dash, AM FM radio. It's dual exhaust. It's a Dana 373 sure grip rear end. Factory jack and spares in the trunk here. Pretty car, man. I actually took this car, some paper, just a little bit of paperwork in here. You can see it's got the original insulation. It's all body color in the trunk. The original insulation still on the quarters. Factory jack was spare. I actually took this car on trade from a buddy of mine on that 69 Hemi Charger 500 I had. This is a good car, man. Good car. Car's again nice and clean underneath. I got some pictures of the bottom of it for you. Dana's staring at you. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. Everywhere you look, this car's nice. Seats are nice, very comfortable. Gauges are clean. Does have a line lock on it. Go ahead, Jordy, you can fire it up. Again, dual sport mirrors. Air grabber's functional. I think that's the coolest option Chrysler ever had, man. Pump gas engine, plenty of power. It's got a, oh doggone it, I can't remember the clutch. 11-inch clutch, yeah, you're gonna have to pin that hood. Center force, it's got center force clutch in it. I love those chin spoilers. Again, that air grabber is super cool. I know the parking brake works. All the gauges over there working, Jordy?
Yep.
Yep. That sounds good, man. Backup lights work. Well, you gotta love them Mopars, man. Radio works, blower motor. Yep, blower motor works, guys. Wipers work. Love that air grabber, man. Oh man, the beep beep horn's not working. I have to check that, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you can get a notification every time I post one of these new videos. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom there. Boy, that's a pretty car, man. Oh, he's taking off. I think he took off in third gear. Have a great day, guys.